Hello, future scientists! You already learned the other food groups, and in this lesson, we will be focusing on meat, fish, eggs, and beans. This group is a protein group of foods that are important for building tissues, cells, and muscles, as well as providing antibodies to fight illness. Unit 3, Living and Growing, we will know about the need for a healthy diet, including the right types of food and water, and to know about the favorite food, your favorite food, I know you are excited again, and group them into healthy and unhealthy. So at the end of the lesson, you can talk about why we need a healthy diet and what foods to eat to stay healthy. Add in your list these scientific words: fish, eggs, and what is ill, meaning sick. Of course, we don't want to get this coronavirus, so we have to stay healthy. As our starter activity, now let's have a little fun. We'll pop the balloons to drop each keyword onto its matching definition. You will see here different types of food groups, and then just pop the balloons. Make sure it is the correct grain it will drop onto. You can see here meat, fish, eggs, and different kinds of beans. They are all belong to protein food group, which are very important sources of protein, iron, zinc, and B vitamins. As you can see, this protein food group includes plant foods and animal foods. Watch this video. It tells about the meat, fish, eggs, beans. This protein group food will help us understand and know how much portion we will eat or consume. Now let's talk about meat. It is a good source of protein, vitamins, and minerals in your diet. Meat, whether it is white, red, it helps to improve skin health, boost the immune system, provide energy, and improve iron absorption in the body. So these are the three main meat categories. First one here is red meat. It provides hemi-iron, vitamin B12, zinc, protein. All livestock is considered red meat. So this includes beef, goat, lamb, and as part of an overall healthy diet, red meat is a valuable, nutrient-dense food. As I mentioned, it contains protein. And this hemi-iron, why is it important? Particularly important for children just like you. Now, for poultry, commonly referred to as white meat, Poultry includes chicken, duck, turkey, and seafood, which is a good source of protein, omega-3 and vitamin E. Its nutritional value is incredibly vast and depends on the species. And everything from fish to crustaceans to shellfish. All fish supply high amounts of protein. They have low levels of saturated fat and also contain vitamin E, an important antioxidant. Why eggs are also healthy for our body? It is nutrient-rich, very high in protein. It raises the level of good cholesterol, a good source of omega-3s, and contains, again, antioxidants, which we need right now because most of the food that we eat are processed, They are not produced and made from organic materials. Eggs are very healthy because it contains antioxidant, whether it is white egg or brown egg. We can actually eat up to 3 whole eggs per day. Are perfectly safe for us, for healthy people just like us. Beans are a great source of fiber. Fiber helps keep you regular and seems to protect against heart disease, high cholesterol, high blood sugar, and digestive illness. Did you know that there are around 40,000 bean varieties in the World Gene Banks, although only a fraction are mass-produced for regular consumption. Beans are one of the most perfect foods out there. They are a cheap way to stock up on important nutrients, and since they're packed with protein and fiber, they're super filling. Here are some common types of beans. This is the black-eyed peas, originated in West Africa, and today they're grown and consumed around the world, particularly here in the Middle East. These black beans, see this hearty texture, they're common staples in any diet and components in some of the best vegetarian foods. These fava beans, also known as broad beans, are one of the oldest cultivated crops. Garbanzo beans, also known as chickpeas, are of course the building blocks of Mediterranean and Middle Eastern staples such as hummus and falafel. I know you have eaten this. They're so delicious. And kidney beans are best known for their appearances in chili or alongside rice, the Cajun style. And another ancient legume, these lentils. They work excellently in soups and stews. Like other beans, lentils are nutritionally rich, particularly when it comes to protein, folate, thiamine, and iron. And of course, soybeans might just be the most versatile bean out there. Just ask tofu. Have you tasted tofu? What about your soy milk, your soy meal, your soy flour? Okay, these are all made from soybeans. Remember, this group is the protein group of foods that are very important for building tissues, okay, as well as providing antibodies to fight illness. We will complete this worksheet from your Learner's Book, page 65, sorting the foods onto the correct plates below. And also, in these food groups of your workbook, page 39, draw some foods on these plates and then choose your favorite food from each plate. Future scientists, now that you already learned about why we need a healthy diet and what foods to eat to stay healthy, challenge yourself. Do you think it would be a good idea to leave out one of the food groups? Why or why not? I am excited to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for listening. Until next time.